So what you can also do using TeamViewer is go ahead and send out files without having access to their desktop screen. So you can go ahead onto remote support for that. And here what you can do is simply type in the ID of the other computer. So right now you can see that the mode right here is remote control, but you can go ahead and expand this, and here you can see that file transfer is an option as well. Let me just go ahead and connect it out right here. You still need to go ahead and enter out the password for the session. So I'm just going to go around over here and enter out the password, which has been, let's say for example, given to me right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on login. Once you do that, you can see their file right here, that is their file explorer and your file explorer as well. So if I were to go around over here onto desktop right here, I have some files as you can see. So I'm going to go to their desktop right here, and let's say for example I can simply go ahead and send this out. So you can see that this is what you have. So now if I were to click and drag it, I can simply go ahead and upload it out there, and you can see that the file gets transferred out right here. The same thing goes around over here as well. So you can see that it is being transferred out right here. The files are being transferred. You can even go ahead right here and let's say for example click and drag this backward right here, and then you can even overwrite it and replace it. So you get option as it finds duplicate items as well. So you can go around and click right here and click on receive right here, or what I can also do is go around over here and then click on send right here to send to the folder that is opened up right here, just like this. And you can see the job queue and the event log right here. All the details are around over here, and you can see the progress, of course, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the file transfer mode inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.